The world is being used up. The time is not there for us to act anymore. The time we waited for is here, right now, for us to act brightly and create a bright future for the future generations. It's surely our responsibility to do everything within our power to create a planet that provides a home, not just for us, but for all life on Earth. Since 1937, SCAW have been setting the tone for innovation. It is no wonder they are the industry leaders. Step by step, day by day, we will ensure our future generations this bright future. This is why Vulcania looks forward to walking into a future with them.